Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics of a chapter 13 which is related to the our Telangana State Board. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see the solution of exercise 13.1. Well, this exercise is related to the geometry, and in this exercise there is a no answer is given in your textbook. There is a nothing. So in this one, actually in this exercise what will happen, a lot of peoples have do with this exercise like different way. Okay now, but don't worry if you have any kinds of doubt in this exercise. If you have any doubt, any confusion is there, so don't worry about it. In this video, whatever your doubt is there, whatever your confusion is there, everything is going to be clear. Okay, so let's talk about the first question. So the first question telling that here, construct a line segment of using 6.9 centimeter using a ruler and compass. Actually here we line segment means what? Line segment, what is the mean by a line segment? Let me I explain you here. Let's suppose this is a rough paper I have. Line segment means very easy. Line segments, like when you have a end point, this is a line segment. Why it is a line segment? Because why? Because when you have a fixed line, that is the called line segment. This is a fixed line, that's why it is called line segment. Why? Let's suppose this is a 2 centimeter, then it will be 2 centimeter only. It cannot extend in this direction, it cannot extend in this direction, it cannot extend. It is totally fixed. If it is 2, then it will be 2 centimeter only. Okay, let's suppose if it is 5 centimeter, then I will take the scale, I will draw, so it will be 5 centimeter only. It cannot extend. That is the called the line segment. Okay na? Right, now the next is telling that we have to create a line segment, like we have to create a line exactly 6.9 centimeter only. You can use the ruler or compass you will use. Okay na? So let me tell you. So I have both of this is a ruler I have, that's the scale you can say, and generally this is compass. Okay, we have both of this. Now I will use this scale only to draw the 6.9 centimeter line. So how I can draw? This is a very easy. You can do with this compass and ruler both. I will tell you. In this line, if you see, if you focus, generally I will make the focus. Okay, generally if you see, this is a 6 centimeter here. Okay, in this one, this is a 6. Now you can count. This is a 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6. Here you can see this is a 6.5. That's the line. This you can see this is a 6.5, then after 6.6. Okay, exactly it's like that. Okay na? So where it is now, 6.9, 6.9 is here. Okay now, if you see, this is 7 na? Here only this is 6.9. So let's do this one. So this is my scale, and I'm drawing the line segment. So what I can do, I generally I choose like that. It like one is starting from here, and it's going to be 6.9, so it's going to be here only. Okay, this is going to be here. Okay, so it is still here. Okay, so where it is till here to till here. This is the line segment. It's totally fixed. This is at 6.9 centimeter. It's a fixed line. It cannot extend. That's the word. Now you can do with this one also. Like this is a scale, and you can put it out. And where it is when I compress this into this one, like that. If you compress, now let's see here, it's the pin have to be same in this size. Okay, right, so let's add this one. Okay, now so let's suppose we have to take, where we have to take in the 6.9. so let's take this into the 6.9. so this is let's 6, and let's suppose this is 6, and where it's 9 here only na. So let's extend it into 6.9. so it's going to be like that here. Okay, 6.9, it's like that. Okay, now this is take the some camera upper, something upper side, that's over. Nice. So this is like here, you can, this is your scale. Okay now, and now you can measure from the here to, that's going to be 6.9 here exactly, if you see this. So it means that little bit we have to increase. Okay, now let's observe, it's total same distance or not. It's total same only from here. If you count here also, it's total same. So this compass is total, the size, this size you're looking, this is total 6.9 only. So it's over. Okay, you can do it like that also. You can, this is a scale, you can measure in this scale where it is given. Okay, and then after measuring, you can just draw like that, one point here, one point here, one you can do like that, one straight line, then another from here you can do like that. Okay, so generally whatever there you can join, that is over. Okay, So now I will talk about this next question. Okay, so what the next question is that here it is telling that construct a line segment using length 6.3 centimeter has a ruler. Okay, now we have to use the ruler means this is called the ruler, that's the scale. We have to create how many lines? We have to create the 4.3 centimeter. So in this one, this is a scale. If you see in this one where it is a 4 point, so if you see this is a 1. Actually, if you, I will make the focus, don't worry. Okay, so generally it's not taking focus, but generally look, this is a 4 centimeter, right? And this is a 4. Okay, now this is 4. Okay, here 3. So here I will take this camera. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, so generally it's not taking focus. Okay now, but okay, no, don't worry, this is 4. Okay, in this one if you count, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So where it is going to be? It is going to be here. Okay, now here this is 3, so this is 4. 4 is here, right? After that here count the dots, 1 2 3. This is going to be here. Now we have to create this. How we are going to do? Simple, nothing, it's very simple. This is your pencil. Okay, now just point out where it is 6.3. so it is going to be here. Okay, just you can point like that here, and the one is here. Okay, now you can match. Okay, this is going to be okay. So now it's over, simple. Now you just put like that 2 commas here, put 2 dots, and this is going to be 4.3, right? This is 4.3 centimeter, over. Okay, now this is the second question also completed. So now let's look the third question. Okay, so let's look to the third question. So this is our third question. So what this third question is telling that construct a line using m and n. Okay, now like this is a line is given. Let's suppose in this one I draw a line. Okay, I draw this line. In drawing this line, this is a 2 line. Let's suppose this is a 5 centimeter line. This is a 5 centimeter line. So I will give the name of this line. Let's suppose this is a this is a B. That's, it is called the name only. That's the name. So you can give any name. So if your name is P, you can, okay, this, okay, take the another pencil. Okay, let's suppose you can give another name also. This is P, and you can see this is C. You can write anything, any alphabet. If you want to write X and Y, you can write XY. Okay, now anything you will write. So any alphabetical number you can take this in this dot. Like here this dot, 2 dots are there now. In these 2 dots you can take any name. Let's suppose your name is B, your name is C. You can write BC. Anything, any alphabet you can choose. Like that only. So here it is telling construct a line segment using mn of length 6 centimeter. Okay, we have to create a line segment using 6 centimeter. Okay, now so we have to create a 6 centimeter line. Okay, just wait, 6 centimeter line we have to create. Okay, make any point O on it. Okay, now we have to make any point in this one O, and measure ON and ON, MO or ON and MN. What do you observe? So generally in this one, don't worry, first let's understand. M and N will be length of 6 centimeter. First draw the 6 centimeter line. So in this one, this is a 6 centimeter, right? So let me, I take you, just I will take this scale and I pointed here. Let's suppose this is the 6 centimeter. Okay, this is a 6 centimeter and this is here. Now I will just look at, okay, just look at here, it is 6. Okay, now it's over now. So I will make like that. This is 2 points here, 2 dots. One is M. Let's suppose this is M, this is N. It is how much? 6 centimeter. This is going to be 6 centimeter. Now what this question telling that make any point O on it. Okay, in this line make anywhere point O. So what we do, just make any point O. So let's suppose in the middle of that, the middle of 6, this is total 6 centimeter now. This is total 6 centimeter. So you have to make O. In this one we have to, in the middle of this you will put O. So if you take half of 6 will be 3 only now. So it is 3. So you will we will take half as a 3. Okay now, so let's take 3. So this is 3. Okay, so let's suppose this is the only O. This is the only O here. Okay, this is O. Now the question is telling here. Okay, now question is telling MO, and this is MO from where to here? From, now if you see, from this line to this line is called, what is it called? MO. Okay, now this is line is called MO. From here to here, this is O, MO. How much? Because this is 3. Why? Because this is 6. Half of 6 will be 3 only now. So M or O, it is 3 centimeter. Okay, now what is O or N? O N from here to here. So O and N also how much? It's also 3 centimeter. So this is going to be 3 centimeter over. Okay now. So whatever in this one, everything is clear. I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt in this. Okay. This is a very simple question. So now let's look at the fourth question. So focus here. Okay. So in this fourth question, what is it telling that? Draw a line segment AB. Okay, now we have to draw a line which is AB of the length 12 centimeter. We have to create AB has a 12 centimeter. Same question, nothing. You have to just take the scale. Where it is 12 centimeter, we already focus. Okay. So I will just take this one from here. Okay, so where it is 12? Here only, na? If you see 12 is here, right? 12 is here. Okay, right. So now let's take from 1 to 12. Okay, so this is line. Okay, so this is a, okay, so this is A and this is a B. AB, how much AB? 12 centimeter. So this is already 12 centimeter. Okay, now what is telling? Make a point C on the line segment. In this line segment A to B, we have to make another point C. So why not we put this into the middle only? This is 12, half of the 12 is 6. In the 6 centimeter we are going to put the C. Okay now, so let's suppose this is line, this is a 6 centimeter where it is here. So this is 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 6, so this is 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is, let's put C. Whenever it's telling you to put between of A and B, if it is telling put another alphabetical number, put that into the middle only. In this line, put it in middle. So middle is, if it is 12 centimeter, then what is the middle part? Middle part is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter I put it. Now what is telling? Such that AC is 5 centimeter. So what will happen if A or C? It is telling AC will be 5 centimeter, but we already created AC has a 6 centimeter. It means that we created wrong. So take this AC into 5.6 centimeter. Okay, now let's take 5 AC, 5.6 centimeter. So this is our scale. This is left. Where it is 5.6? This is here. It is 5. Here it is. It's very near to this. Okay, so this is here. So this is a C. Okay, now let's suppose this is a C. Now let's erase this one. Okay, this is erased. Okay, now AC, this is what will happen. We have to create AB has a 12 centimeter. We created AB has a 12 centimeter. Now we have to create AC in 5.6 centimeter. We measured and this is going to be 5.6 centimeter. AC is how much? 5.6. This means line segment only. Put like that here. Okay, don't. AC is how much? 5 I. This means a line segment. Okay, right. So after it all, what will happen now? AC is 5 centimeter. What should be length of CB? Then from here to here, what is the length? Let's count. So if you count here, it's going to be how much? 6.4. It's going to be 6.4. It's going to be 6. If you count, it is going to be 6.4. So here to here, it's going to be 6.4. It's going to be how much? 6.4. So what is C or A? C or B? C or B? So it's going to be 6.4. If you have a doubt, you can check out from A to B. It's 5.6. The total, what is the total? Total distance is 12 centimeter. From A to C, the distance is 5.6. If you subtract in also, it's going to be 6.4 only. Okay, so you can check like that. Okay now. So generally in this question fourth, what will happen? It is telling you have to create AB has a 12 centimeter. We created AB has a 12 centimeter. In this it is telling AC from A to C there is a 1 point. It is 5.6. We created AC has a 5.6. Then it is asking what is the measurement of CB from C to B. What is the measurement? So we already know total distance is 12 centimeter. You created AC which is 5.6. Okay, if you subtract also you will get 6.4, and after the measuring also we get it 6.4 only. So that's why the CB will be 6.4. That's the answer. Okay, is it clear? Right, so let's talk about this another question. Okay, so let's talk about the fifth one. Okay, so in this one what is telling? Given that AB is a 12 centimeter, in this one it is telling that this A to B, given that AB is a 12 centimeter. Actually here I don't know, but there will be a question mistake. but it is from A to will, it will be that much the total distance is 12 centimeter. Okay, here will be mistake, once look at, okay now, but the from A to this distance, from here to here, the total distance is how much? The total distance is 12 centimeter. From this point to this point, whatever distance is there, this is total 12 centimeter. Okay, now what this question telling? From the above figure, measure the length of the flowing square. Now we have to measure the distance between the C and D. This is C and this is D. Now measure how much distance they have. Now nothing will happen, just take this one. So how much it is going to be? This is 1, it is going to be 1 2 3 4, it's going to be 4.4. So the distance will be C and D is equals to 4.4. Okay, now I will write this. So the A answer is CD is equals to 4.4. Okay, now we have to find this one. B is telling that we have to find D and B. From where it is D and B. Okay, now from here to here, let's find out. So you can take from D to B. It is given a D to B. You can measure D to B or B to D. Both are same only. We have to measure from here to here. The distance will cannot change. You can measure BD or DB. Anything. Both are same only. So let's measure. Okay, so it is going to be 6.5. It is going to be 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Now E to A you have to measure from E to A. So E to E. So option C. E to A, the distance is how much? 12 centimeter, because this is E, this is A. So if you measure this all, so if you measure, it is going to be 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter only. Yes, if you see 12 centimeter here. Okay, right. Now AD, the answer is AD. You have to measure AD from A to D. This is A. Okay, just it is, this is A, this is D. It is how much? 10 centimeter. AD is how much? It is 10 centimeter. Over. Nothing in this one. Okay, now let's take this one here. So in this question, what is telling that verify AE. So what is the distance of AE? So you take it here above. The distance of AE is how much? 12 centimeter. So the AE is how much? It is 12 centimeter. What is the distance of C or E? Where it is C or E? C or E is here. So now measure C and E. So the distance of, okay, so the distance of CE is 6.5. Okay, now C and E distance is 6.5 centimeter. Then now it is asking what is the distance of AC. Okay, now it is asking what is the distance of AC. Let's find out here. We don't know AC difference, but let's find here. It is going to be, okay, 5 only. Okay, 5.5. The AC distance is here 5.5. Now let's do this one. Okay, so what is the distance of AE? Now here I am writing AE distance minus C. So AE is 12 centimeter. Okay, what is C or E? It is 6.5 centimeter. So if you subtract this one, if you subtract, so what will be left? It will be going to be left 5. It's going to be 5 point something now. Okay, so if you subtract in this one, so it's going to be 6.5. Then it's going to be 10 ones. Okay, so it's going to be same only 5.5. It's what is left? 5.5. Okay, now so if you AE, if you from AE, if you subtract CE, it is equal to the AC. So 12 centimeter AE, BC is 6.5. Then what will be if you subtract in this? So what will be like 12? So how I 12? This is 12 point something 0 like that. So it is going to be 6.5 like that. 1 is here, 5, 11 means 5 is going to be 5%. Okay, now 5.5. When we measure here, take it upper. When we measure here also, the distance of A and C, that's going to be 6.5 only. Okay, 5.5 only, it's going 5.5 if you look at this here. Okay, now so that's why here I done. So first I measured the distance. AE measure is 12 centimeters, CE is 6.5, AC is 5.5. But by doing in this way, we have to show. So we did AE and C, we did distance there. So this is our answer. Okay, is it clear? Right, so let's talk about this sixth question. So what this sixth question is telling, AB is 3.8 centimeter. Okay, it is telling that AB is a 3.8 centimeter. Construct MN by the compass such as the length of MN is third that of the AB, which is the largest surface. Okay, generally it is telling that if it is AB distance is 3.8, then the distance of MN is 3 times more than AC, 3 times more than AB. 3 times more than AB. It means that what will be the distance? Distance will be MN distance will be if you multiply. What is the distance of AB? 3.8. In this question, what is telling that? Understand first of all. This question telling that the distance of AB is 3.8. Okay, we understand. The MN distance will be 3 times more than AB. Okay now. So here 3 is 3 times more than AB. What is the distance of AB? 3.8. So if you multiply, it's going to be what? 24. Like 3.8 is there now. If you multiply by 3, it's going to be 8 3 is 24. Let's go in 3 3 are 9, 10, 11. So it's going to be 11.4. Now what will be the total distance? To total distance will be 11.4. Now let's do this one here. So this is a scale. Okay. Let's find the first AB distance. What is the AB distance? AB distance is how much? 3.8. Okay now. MN distance will be 3 times more than AB. So it means that it is going to be 3.8 equals to how much? The MN distance 11.4. We already know that. So first create this AD distance. Okay. So here this is a scale. From here to here 3.8 is there. Okay. From here. Now let's continue this. Okay, so this is the total. How much? If you count, if you don't believe on this, then let's see. I will put here. That's the our. Okay. Now how much we have to take? 3.8. AB is how much? 3.8. So this is let's suppose this is there 3.8. So let's talk about this like that. Okay now. This is okay 3.8 something little bit. Okay, it's total right only. Okay, 3 point right. Now you can just do this from here to here. Now let's see this one. This is total same distance or not? Same only now. So this is 3.8. The distance is 3.8. So this is A, this is B, this is 3.8. The total distance will be how much? This is a 3 times more now. So this is 2 times. This is going to be how much? 3 times. Okay. Now from here to here how much? 11.4 it have to be. Let's see. Okay now. So this is the our number. This is total same 11.4 it have to be. Okay now. So it is there. Okay now, it is there already 11.3. It's here. So now you can, what you can do, you can just add this one line. Okay, so the distance will be the MNN. This is M, this is N. Now, so what is this total distance? 11.4 over. Okay, so this is the only question which we have to do. So over totally in this one, this exercise is totally ended here only. Whatever in this exercise, everything is clear. So in the next video we will talk about our exercise 13.2. okay, so I hope this is 13 not 18. Okay, now this is 13. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.